Right now what we're doing is we're making a hole to the attic space so we can run our electrical to the electrical panel.
Your bedroom?
Yes, it is.
And what was the problem before?
The problem was it was just really hot going to bed because I just had a fan above because I had to reach through all the air vent ducts through the house, and by the time it comes here, it's just not cool anymore. It used to be a garage. Right?
So the AC wasn't really installed properly here, right?
Just by walking in, I already feels a nice cool breeze right away. No fan anymore, and perfect. So when I press the I feel button, the remote becomes thermostat for the system here. And when I press it now, it'll tell me the temperature from where I am, from my perspective, from my point of view, coming from the AC.